friend of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Sound. Now you need to tap on Vibrate Focus and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you need to scroll down and click on this switcher next to touch vibrations to turn them off or on. You can also click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibrations to enable or disable haptic feedback for those two features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!